Your model just shipped. By tonight, it'll answer 10,000 prompts. Who reads them? Last episode, we built the eval mindset. Today, we scale it. A human grader takes 90 seconds per response. At 10,000 a day, that is 250 hours of reading. The math just does not work. And the vibe check we killed last episode, it cannot save you here either. Meet LLM-as-a-Judge. One model evaluates the outputs of another at machine speed. A judge model reads each answer, scores it against a rubric you defined, and stamps a verdict every single time. A judge LLM is not a different model class. It is just a powerful general model like a top-tier Claude or GPT given one focused job, grading. The economics flip overnight. Pennies per grade. Thousands of grades per minute, always on. While your team sleeps, the judge keeps grading. While you ship the next feature, the judge keeps grading, but you cannot bolt this on. Researchers at Berkeley laid out a 4-step loop for building a judge that actually works, and skipping any step means your judge will lie to you. Step 1, manual error analysis. Grade 30 real outputs yourself by hand, no shortcuts. This is the only way you learn what failure even looks like in your product. Step 2, cluster the failures. Hallucination, off topic, wrong tone. Each cluster becomes a category the judge will look for. Step 3, write the judge prompt that catches what you caught. One prompt per failure mode. Step 4, iterate. Run it on fresh outputs, measure agreement against your own grades, tune the wording, and loop back to step 1 with new data. The judge prompt is where most teams break. A bad prompt asks, is this answer good? Yes or no? Vague, no criteria, no examples. The model will guess and you will trust it. A good prompt names the criteria, gives gold examples inline, defines the rubric, and demands structured JSON output. Structure forces specificity. Same input, 2 judges, 2 completely different worlds. One more trap, and this one is the killer. The judge can be confidently wrong, especially when it is judging outputs that look like the data it was trained on. So before you trust any judge in production, hold it against a small set of human-graded answers, your golden dataset. If the judge says 9 out of 10 and the human said 4, the judge is broken, not the model. Rewrite the judge prompt. Sharpen the rubric. Tune until the judge agrees with the human at least 80% of the time. Validate the validator. Every single time. No exceptions. To recap, scale broke human grading. The 4-step Berkeley loop builds your judge. A structured prompt beats a vague prompt every time. And always validate against gold. Next episode, we wire judges into production with AI observability platforms, the dashboards that watch the judges watch your models. See you there.